a video now. I'm gonna set you up right here.
Like the whole
Because
video?
I got Leo. Hold on.
Wait.
I got Leo.
Here, I'll do the
Leo.
teeth.
Bruh. Leo, what you doing, Leo? He's my favorite cat.
Tiki!
Tiki, come here.
Tiki! Oh, he wants to go over there.
I think she's gonna eat.
Yeah.
Bro, this
She's
hair.
tired, I guess. Dora! I completely forgot about her.
Yeah, go try to get Dora.
Like total?
Yeah.
Dora.
So, this is my new cat. I'm keeping him. I'm stealing him from my grandma.
Yeah, I'm stealing Dora.
Look at that.
I'm stealing all the
He's
baby
biting me now.
tats. She's stealing all the big tats, and I'm stealing all the big tats. Right? And guess what? Me and my
He's
pop
loving it.
me and my pop
Whoa.
approve.
Look
that
at this
if
teeth.
Look at this teeth.
What
What is he doing?
Hold on. Look at Tiki. Is she okay?
Wait, well.
Oh, I feel so bad.
I'm definitely bringing her home.
I'm putting you here.
So I'm gonna
Stop with the hair.
Whoa,
Whoa,
so tall when I tried
You see him biting me?
Ivy.
I don't know why you're falling.
Ivy. So let's just stand
Help.
in the trash can.
No,
She's so tall.
Here, go get a toy. Try to get a toy. No, give it to her.
Here, I'll put it on the heels so she doesn't fall again.
Stop.
Oh, she wanted
Stop. Help.
Oh!
Ah, my sweatshirt is getting hurt by a claw. I think he's hot. Look at. Whoa.
Ivy, can you hold?
I'm gonna try to get Tiki. I'm gonna be right back.
Oh, it can actually literally fit.
Oh.
He's holding
Aaron,
it.
I'll be right back. Let me try to get Tiki.
Tiki? Is she doing baby? 2 hours of this. Oh my God! It's all over there.
I got Dora.
Dora! Here.
Whoa, my phone. No, my phone.
Wait, did Tiki just fall then?
No, she didn't. This is Dora. She's very small. Bro. Okay.
I'm gonna try it.
Wait, am I bleeding over here? I got like a pain there for some reason.
Hey, Ivy, still hold the little tubby.
Look at this. He's driving my arm. So, my grandma got these cats like 2 days ago.
No.
And they're already big.
I know.
How? They were this big.
No, they were this big.
No,
when
like
we got...
this big. Leo was this big when we first got him. Now he's like this. Hold on.
No,
he
was like this big.
Like 10 times bigger.
No, he was like this.
Oh my God. They're
Wait.
playing. Okay. Aaron. I didn't even hit you.
I'm a cat now.
Meow, meow, meow. Get off of me. Well, this is probably going to be like a longer video. I'm sorry about that.
Oh my God. It's a
Sorry
little...
if the tail's blocking the camera.
It's a Leo.
He keeps putting his tail up. Oh.
Where
Where did
Dodo.
No.
Tiki.
Yeah. Oh, there's Tiki. What is he doing?
He's trying to smell me, bro.
Yeah.
Ivy. Shovel, the little tubby.
What cubby?
The one right here.
Oh, they have a bed over there. Here, let me get closer. They have like a bed over here, and it's very cute.
I know.
So,
I noticed it. I noticed it 2 days ago.
This Rio.
Oh, Ivy, look at it. They're both over there. Wee.
Very cute. I love these cats.
I love my cats.
They're not our cats. They're grandma's cats.
I love my cats.
They're grandma's.
I love all cats. I love all cats.
Yeah. I love Lou and Magoo. I'm just gonna sit here for like some minutes.
Tone it and
well, I'm probably gonna have to delete this video after I post it because I need room on my phone. Yeah. So I can make more videos for you guys.
And so you can like and subscribe every time you make a video.
That's their choice.
Oh.
He's
Leo.
Back.
Leo.
I'll put you back where you guys were.
Wait.
I'm gonna pick him up. Leo.
Oh my
Um.
He's shuffling. He wants toys.
So, I think we're gonna have to end this video here.
One more to buy. Bye, guys.
Okay. Stop being so cringy.
Because I don't do something cute like this. I'm Doofy Dots.
You watch too much FGTV. Stop.
I'm Doofy Dots.
Stop watching FGTV.
You want me to watch baby pictures?
I'd rather you watch Cocomelon.
Oh, you just roasted me.
Okay, guys, we're gonna have to end this video here because my little brother is too cringy. Bye. See you tomorrow. Ah!